myself Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. Children, I am here with the subject value education. You know now already we have completed 3 lessons in value education. Yes or no children? Yes, today I am with the 4th lesson here. Got it children? So, you have to open the textbook. You got na? Which textbook you have to open here? Yes, this is the textbook children. Yes, I can. A book of moral education. Got it children? So you already know that moral education. What is another name of moral education here? Yes, value education. They both are called same here. Got it children? So let's start the lesson here. See, you have to open the page number 17 here. Page number 17. 4th lesson. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. Got it children? See, 4th lesson. Don't tell a lie here. Means what is this heading children? What is the lesson name here? You should not tell a lie here. Got it? If you tell a lie, then who will be in the problem? Yes, you will be in the problem here. If I tell lie, then I will be in the problem. If you tell lie, then who will be in the problem? You will be in the problem. So, you should never tell a lie here. Got it? Got it? So, now let's start the lesson children. See, you have to open the page number as I told you 17. Okay, see. There was a shepherd boy. There was a shepherd boy. Before I start the lesson, let's me introduce with the new words children here. Got it? See here. First one, shepherd. Shepherd means a person who guards sheep. Shepherd means who here? A person who guards sheep. Guards means who take care of the sheep here. Got it? Who is the shepherd children? Tell me here. Yes, a person who guards sheep. Guards means who takes care of sheep here. Now next, second one. G-R-A-Z-E, graze. Second one, graze. Eating grass in the field. Means, what is the meaning of graze here? Eat grass in a field. Okay? Now, grass in a field. What is children? G-R-A-Z-E, graze means eat grass in a field. Okay? The next third one. W-O-L-F, wolf. What is the wolf means? A wild animal that looks like a large dog. What is children? Wolf means here, it's a wild animal which looks like a large animal. Large dog here. Okay? It's an animal which looks same like a large dog. Okay? Now let's see here. Scolded. Scolded means angrily. Okay? Scolded means who will get, if you do any mistakes, then your parents will scold you with angrily, isn't it? Next, field. Field means an area of open land. Field means it will be a big open land there. Got it children? So now let's start the lesson children here. There was a shepherd boy named Ram. See here, as I told you, the meaning in the shepherd, there was a boy. The boy name was Ram here. What the shepherd name was? The shepherd boy name was Ram. Got it? He went to forest to graze his sheep every day. Means who went here? Ram. Ram, he was a shepherd boy. Shepherd boy means who used to guard sheep. He used to take the sheep to the field there. Got it children? He used to take care of the sheep. He went to forest. Daily he used to go to forest to graze his sheep every day. Children, graze means here eat grass in a field. What here Ram used to do? Ram was a shepherd boy. What he used to do? He used to take the sheep to the field so that the sheep can eat a grass in a field every day. Got it? Next, one day he felt lonely and sad. See, one day he was feeling lonely and sad. Means lonely and sad means no one was there. No one was there to talk with him. He was getting bored there. So, see there, he thought of a trick to enjoy and have fun. See, when he was feeling bored, when he was feeling lonely, sad and bored, at that time he made a trick to enjoy and have fun here. What was the fun here? Let's come see here. He started shouting. Who started shouting? Yes, Ram. The shepherd boy Ram started shouting. Wolf, wolf, save me, help, help. What the shepherd Ram did here, shepherd boy, what he did? He started to have fun. Just to have fun, he started shouting, wolf, wolf, save me, help, help. See here, wolf means what, children? A wild animal that looks like a large dog. Okay, what he did? He started shouting there. So you can see the picture, children, here. He is the Ram here. He is a shepherd boy. He is sitting on the tree. Are you able to see, children? And this is the field. Open area field. And you can see the sheep in the field. They are eating the grass there. Yes or no? So you can see he is shouting there. Isn't it? What he is shouting, what he is telling? He was feeling bored, children. He was feeling lonely and sad. So what he did? He made an trick to have just fun and to enjoy. What he told? See how he is shouting. Wolf, wolf, save me, help, help. So now we will go to the next page, children. Next page you can see the 18, page number 18. See, the farmers working in the nearby fields ran to help him. So not only one field will be there, children. Okay, there will be many fields there. He was in one field and in another field some farmers were also working in the field. When he started shouting, other farmers in the other field, they listened his voice. When he started shouting, they listened and they came. See, the farmer working nearby field ran to help him. When he started shouting, other farmers in the field they were working, they ran and came to help. To whom here? To Ram. One of the farmers asked, where is the wolf? One of the farmer asked here. Okay, when they came ran. By running they came and they asked, where is the wolf? See, I was joking. There is no wolf, said Ram and started laughing. See how the Ram did, children, here. What the Ram did? When the one of the farmers asked him, where is the wolf? Then what the Ram told? I was joking here. There is no wolf. No, wolf is not there. Okay? See, and started laughing. Ram started laughing there. Okay? See now next. Farmers were very angry. See, they were working. They left their work there only. They thought something happened to Ram and the sheep. So they ran to the Ram there, near to the shepherd boy. They were thinking, what happened? What might have happened? Why Ram is shouting like this? So thinking like that, they came. When Ram told that wolf is not there, I am just joking here, and by joking he started laughing there. The farmers got angry there, isn't it? What is this boy? He is doing joke na here. They got farmers were very angry here. They got angry on Ram here. Next, they shouted Ram and went back. What is this, Ram? You are doing joke here. So by telling him like that, they went back again to their work. After some days, that day is finished. Again after some days, means 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Okay. Ram played the same trick again. See what the Ram did. After that day, again after some days, Ram played the same trick again there. Okay. Farmers came again back. They again went back after scolding him. See, one time he did the same trick after some days. Again he started shouting there. See, wolf, wolf, save me, like that. Help, help. So again second time, after some days, again all the farmers ran away to nearby the Ram where he was sitting. But again the Ram told, no, I am making a joke here, and started laughing again. So what the farmers did? Again they got angry. What is this, Ram? Why you are doing like this joke? Why you are doing like this? Like that they scolded him, they got angry on him, and again the farmers went back. Okay children? Now see. One day the wolf really came. See here. One day, not the first day, also he did the joke. Second day also he did the joke, just for a fun. And the farmers came. What the farmers did here? They got angry on Ram and they went back. But after some days again, for the third time, one day the wolf really came here. Got it, children? The wolf really came there. So Ram shouted for help. See, first time, second time over, third time, again one day when the wolf came, so Ram started shouting there. But this time no one came for his help. See, this time when really the wolf came, Ram shouted, but no one came to help Ram here. Because why? Can you tell me, children here? Why they didn't come? Yes, because they thought this time also Ram might be making joke here. Okay, he is just telling lie here. He is making fun. He is just making us to run away and to see him. Just he is joking. So what the farmers did? They didn't go this time. Got it? Next. Everyone thought that he was again playing a trick. See, all the farmers, everyone, they thought that this time also he is playing a trick. So they decided not to go. Next, the wolf killed many of his sheep. So really the wolf came there. Okay, so what the wolf did? See, wolf means, children, here as I told, a wild animal that looks like a large dog here. What the wolf did, children? The wolf, it's a wild animal. Wild animal means they will catch the sheep and they will eat here. Okay. So what the wolf did? They killed the wolf. They killed the sheep. Sorry. They killed the sheep and they ate the sheep here. Ram cried but understood that no one trusts a liar. That time Ram understood that no one will trust a liar here because he lied there. He was doing the joke. That is why he came to know at the last moment when no one came. No one farmers came. At that time he thought that he realized that I should never tell a lie because no one will trust to a fire here. Children, shall I show you the picture here? See to the second picture. See, when the shepherd boy Ram started shouting, farmers, you can see to the farmers. Isn't it? They came, ran away to the shepherd boy Ram. You can see now what the Ram is telling to them. No, I am making joke here. I started laughing. You can see now how he is laughing. Yes. First time. Second time also he made the same trick. Got it? So again the farmers came to help Ram. Again they got angry. You can see how they got angry. Isn't it? Yes or no? Now see to the third picture, children, here. See, wolf came. At the third time you can see this is the wolf and the sheep is there here. You can see the wolf is killing to the sheep. And the third time Ram is shouting there. But no one came because they thought Ram is playing again the same trick here. So no farmers are there here. No one came to help him. You can see the Ram is shouting. You can see the wolf is killing to the sheep here. Are you able to see, children? Yes. So children, what the lesson tells here? The lesson tells that you learn what you have learned in this lesson, children. That you should never lie. You should never lie here. You should see, never tell a lie. We should always be honest. You should never tell a lie. Okay, you should be always honest here. Okay, see, here what the Ram did, he just making a fun here because he was feeling lonely and he was feeling sad. Isn't it? If you do the same thing, got it? If you do the same thing in your home, if you fall down, you have not fallen down. Okay. Simply, you are telling your parents, see, I fallen down, father, mother, I fall down. They will come, they will run fast and they will come to see you. But if you start shouting, if you tell, no, I am just joking, I didn't fall, means they will tell you, now, why you are doing like this joke, ma? They will tell you. Again they will go. And again after some days, you will do the same thing. What you will do, what you will tell to your parents, you will shout again, father, mother, I fall down, I got hurt. Again they will come for the second time. They will see, you will be fit and fine only. Again they will get angry on you. Again they will go back. And after some other day, if you do the third time, if really you will fall down, you will get hurt. Isn't it? At that time if you shout, what your parents will think? Hey, no, he didn't fall. He is just doing joke there. Like that your parents will think here. Isn't it? At that time your parents will not trust on you. Because 2 times you have told lie there. You lied to your parents. Isn't it? So please never lie to your parents, your elders, whoever are there. Because they will not trust you again and again here. Okay? So this is the lesson, children. It's a story. Don't tell a lie here. Hope you all might have understood the story here. I will come again with the new lesson, with the new story in the next class. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.